Okay, now that we've sewn all the way around our outside of our apron, we need to do a couple of trims and clips. So on first, you'll trim all your threads, and then we need to trim our corners diagonally. So every corner we're just going to cut diagonally to reduce the bulk. Remember, we don't want to cut through the stitching. Okay, so after cutting the 6 corners, we are now on this curve. What happens on a curve is we are trying to, when we flip it, it stretches the seam, and so it tends to pucker and it makes it not so smooth. So we're gonna come in on this curve and we're gonna make just straight cuts into the seam allowance, and that allows the fabric to spread when we turn it inside out. Just be careful when you make your cuts, you don't cut through the stitching. And I usually space them about a ½ inch to 1 inch apart. The deeper the curve, the more clips that you would have. Okay, and you're going to repeat this on your second side. Okay, so here's my clips that I have on both sides, and I have my corners cut.